Hey, how you doing? Austin here. In this video, we're going to talk about Cardano ADA. We're going to talk about the fact that Cardano has been growing, a bunch of new projects coming online, and we're also going to talk about the top 5 Cardano projects that are come online after the smart contracts are implemented. And so I'm wrapping all of this in the context that Cardano is going to continue to grow and continue to expand and continue to become an even more major dominant player in the crypto space. Okay, say up front, I'm not being paid by anybody at Cardano to produce this video, to produce this content. I'm producing it because I'm a massive, major fan of Cardano, and I own Cardano, so there you go. As always, this video is for entertainment purposes only. So let's get into this. So right here, right now, Cardano is trading at $2.40. Hey, Austin, Cardano's down. It's not doing anything right now. Yes, I am very much aware that Cardano is down right now. Cardano is down right now because the overall crypto market is down, right? So if you look at where we're at, the overall crypto market as of the recording of this video is down 2.5% decrease over the last day, okay? You got Bitcoin down to about 2%. You've got Ethereum down about 4.3%. And Cardano is sitting there right with each of respective Bitcoin and Ethereum. Cardano being the number 3 overall crypto currency shows you and tells you that it's going to follow Bitcoin. It's going to follow Ethereum. We had a flash crash earlier this week caused by, frankly, massive manipulation of Bitcoin that became a pervasive event. It spilled over into Ethereum, and thus it spilled over into Cardano, and frankly spilled over into pretty much almost all of the top 100 or more cryptos that are out there. Okay, so that's the bad news, but it's really not. The good news here is that Cardano right now is on a discount. It's at a 19% discount over the last 7 days, right? So you've got some pretty significant opportunities here to buy in at decent prices. Again, not investment advice. You need to do your own due diligence, check it out for yourself. I myself really love Cardano at these prices because I think, my nose itches, of course, because I think that this Cardano is going to continue to go up $5, $10+ Need to make you aware that I do have my Patreon group. If you're looking for help in crypto, you want my support, my guidance, you're going to take a look at your portfolio, you want to see what I'm buying, what I'm holding. In fact, I just added 2 positions in the last 36 hours. I made all my Patreon, my inner circle members right here aware of what I bought, so you can model your portfolio after mine if you so choose. And again, I can help you, guide you with your own, with kind of individualized support and things like that. You can join and cancel at any time, okay? So if that's something that's of interest to you, something you might think you might want, I wrap a Discord around all of it, so you get support from a Discord community, and we got some pretty good pickers in our Discord. We actually have people that have multi-million-dollar portfolios. It's kind of crazy how big some of our Patreon members have holdings in. All right, so links are in the description below as well. Okay, so again, back to Cardano and kind of talking about what's going on. These current price levels, opportunities to add to position. I think that Cardano is, number one, it's not going away. It's not going anywhere. This is just simply a buying opportunity, okay? So what I want to show you in this piece of news is I want to talk about the top 5 Cardano project after Alonzo update, okay? So basically what Alonzo update is, that is what they've named it. They've named that. That is the implementation of smart contracts that is set to go live 2 days from now, 48 hours, right? Approximately, I don't know the exact time, but it's going to go live 2 days from now on September 12th. Today is September 10th as of the recording of this video, depending on when you're watching this video. Okay, so here's some interesting things to note. Okay, I just mentioned this, the implementation of smart contracts on September 12th. So the hype around this desired update has been growing steadily. Now, here's what I will say. I want to talk about the price action. Cardano's price action has not moved up in line with what I expected it to do. And frankly, the reason it didn't do it is we had the flash crash earlier this week from market manipulation going on with Bitcoin and Ethereum. And to be quite honest with you, it's entirely possible that some of it was aimed at Cardano, okay? Cardano, everybody in crypto land, my word, everybody in crypto land knew that Cardano smart contracts were going to go live on September 12th. So the crash, the flash crash, was really aimed at Bitcoin. There was massive sell-off, but whomever did it or however it was, whatever, right? It was orchestrated, excuse me, it had a ripple effect. everybody knows that when Bitcoin and Ethereum start to drop, everything else will. You can see right here on the chart, this right where my cursor is pointing, that was the flash crash. You can see that was Bitcoin. You can see how it moved down. Ethereum, how it moved down. Cardano, how it moved down. And you can just so forth and so on. Solana actually went against the grain and has just continued to excel and do well. XRP went down and so forth, right? Okay, so somebody's pulling up in front of my house and the dogs are probably going to start barking, so I apologize if you hear the dogs barking, but they may start. Okay, that's Raider. That's the male Australian Shepherd that you hear. Okay, in fact, I'm just going to keep recording, but I'm going to close my door. Hold on just a minute. Sorry about that. They consider themselves the pit bull of my house, right? So, excuse me. Got a lot of people walking by and stuff. They're literally like 20-pound dogs, and they're like little Australian Shepherds, and they just consider themselves pit bulls. Okay, so we've got that September 12th event. All right, so here's where I highlighted. This highlighted content. So basically smart contracts can be implemented September 12th. Smart contracts to be deployed in Cardano's blockchain has made ADA growth around 1,305% since January of 2021. This achievement will be supported by important projects that will make ADA price continue to keep growing. I've been talking about this the whole time. ADA's price is going to continue to go up, continue to rise. Firmly believe this. Okay, I want to show you this picture. Let me see if I can zoom in on this a little bit. There we go. Perfect. Okay. Interesting enough, look at these images right here. So what this is, I've talked about this in a previous Cardano video, but I want to really point something out. What you're looking at in the top is a March 2021. Really, it's a pictorial graphical representation of the Cardano ecosystem. So, for example, NFTs, payment, these are projects and things of that nature that were built, that were on the Cardano ecosystem as of March 2021. Okay, so notice really what I want you to focus on is the number of projects. Okay, then look down here and the number on August 2021. Look at the number, for example. Look at NFT. You had 3, 6, 9. Look at NFT right here where my cursor is. You have what? I can't even count them all. North of probably 30 or 40 projects or more right here in NFT. We've had a lot of NFT and gaming projects coming to Cardano because of gas fees and things like that, and just everything that goes with that. Okay, gas fees on Ethereum, by the way. Okay, here's what I'm really trying. Here's my point. More projects equals more proliferation and more use, which has a direct corollary result on the price action of ADA. Okay, so the more that Cardano grows, the price of ADA will fall equivalent. Now, obviously, I'm not really outside of tokenomics and things of that nature. You get my point, okay? But that's really what I wanted to show you is look at that. That's interesting how we have that many, but you can look at everything else. You can look at payment, wallet, DEX. Like for example, I'm just looking here. See, DEX is not even in here. Payment, other, so you see what I'm saying. So pause the video if you want, kind of check them out. You can look respectively at them. Again, really interesting how the ecosystem has grown tenfold, or it's 10x bigger than it was in March. That's not even really the bulk of my story. The next major 5 projects that are going to go live on Cardano after smart contracts are implemented are as follows: ErgoDex, decentralized exchange. Okay. That's number 1. Number 2, Ocamfi. Its mission is to become Cardano's smart DeFi layer, opening thus up the whole DeFi space for Cardano. By the way, DeFi, hottest space really going right now, right? Solana, Avalanche, FTM, other ones that you can name. Okay, so this particular one is very intriguing to me, because it brings in the whole, it just broadens the DeFi equation on Cardano. So I love that one. Okay, third big project is CardStarter, first insured project accelerator for the Cardano ecosystem, basically a launch pad. Very, very cool. Okay, so number 4, Singularity Net. Say that really fast. Decentralized marketplace for AI algorithms that is secured by blockchain technology. Massive project. Very, very cool. And 5th and final, SundaySwap. Promises to be the Cardano equivalent of Uniswap. is one of the early stage Cardano initiatives that generated much attention. Okay, so there you go. So those are the major 5 projects that are coming to Cardano after we go live with smart contracts. Hope you enjoyed the video. As always, thank you for your support. I'll see you later. Take it easy. Bye.